In this video, we shall look at sets. Now, what are sets? A set is a collection of well-defined elements. It's a collection of well-defined elements. Okay, so we can have a set of dogs, a set of cars, a set of classes, a set of boys, a set of numbers, a set of letters, but they are defined. Okay, so how do we define sets? Okay, well, to begin with, let's look at the symbols that we use when we're writing sets. Okay, so we look at the first symbol, which is the intersection set. So the symbol for the intersection set is simply the big monster M, kind of. So you write it like this. Okay, so this is the symbol for intersection set. And now we also have another symbol for the union set, which is, okay, so this is a symbol for the union set. And now we have another symbol for an empty set, because a set can also be empty. It can have something inside or it can have nothing inside. So if it has nothing inside, we call it empty set. Okay, so these two braces, which have nothing inside, gives us a symbol for the empty set. So the empty set, the union of a set, and the intersection set. Okay. So sometimes you have the elements in a certain set, but then you have another set, okay, which has the elements also. And we want to show that the elements which are in the other set are also found or are members of the other set. So we use this other symbol, which is, okay, so this symbol shows that it's a member of, okay, meaning that the elements which are given are a member of the other set. Okay, wow, if the given members are not members of the other set, then we have to use another symbol. So this is not a member of, empty, union, intersection. Okay, so empty, member of, oh, whoa, not member of, not member of. This is not member. And this is member of. Intersection, union. Okay, so these are the symbols that we use when we are describing the sets. The intersection of a set, the union of a set, an empty set, member of, not member of, and empty set. Okay, so having looked at the symbols that we use when we are writing sets, by the way, when we are writing set, we also follow a few rules. And this, the name of a set is shown by a capital letter. Okay, I have an examples on my board here. Set Q is a set of numbers. It's a set of natural numbers. So I have written the name of my set using a capital letter Q. It's set Q. The name of the set is Q, and I've written it using a capital letter. So the name of a set has to be written with a capital letter. So is set P. It's also written by a capital letter P. Okay. And then we use the braces to put members inside. Okay. So elements of a set are inside the braces. Example, I have one example which have A and B. So the question says, given set Q as a set of natural numbers, of course 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and set P as a set of natural numbers as well, 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, and 11. And the one has to find the find Q intersection P. Okay, Q intersection P. And then B says, show Q intersection P in a Venn diagram. Okay, so let's look at these questions. Solutions. Now, what is Q intersection P? Intersection simply means where things meet. Where things meet. So, in the case where we have this set and another set, where do they meet? The elements which are found in both sets are what makes the intersection of those two sets. So, in this case, the elements which are found in set Q and set P are what makes the intersection of these sets. What are those elements? Let's start. Do we have 1 in set P? Yes, we have 1. So 1 is a member of the intersection set. Do we have 2 in set P? Yes, there is 2. 2 is also a member of the intersection. How about 3? Yes, we have 3. So 3 is a member of the intersection. Do we have 4? No. Do we have 5? No. Do we have 6? No. So we have 1, 2, 3 as members of the intersection Q of Q intersection P, and we can close now. Wow. So we have listed members of the intersection Q, members of Q intersection P. 1, 2, 3. We are done with this question. Let's look at question B. Now, question B, they want us to find Q intersection P in a Venn diagram. We have to show it using the Venn diagram. Let's draw the Venn diagram now. Okay. Okay, is this visible enough? Maybe my diagram is too small. We make it a little bigger. Okay, I've drawn my diagram here, so it's a box, and E simply means universal, or all the sets are in it, and then we have Q and P. This circle here is for set Q, and this circle is for set P, and as you can see, they are joining here. So this is where they intersect from here. So members of the intersection for these two sets will have to be inside this house here, inside this small house here, okay? So let's list the members of the intersection. They're already here. 1, 2, 3. They are the members of the intersection. Let's now list the members of set Q without mentioning members of the intersection because they are already in Q. So we are going to leave them out because they are already here. So what is not here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 4, 5, 6 are members of set Q here. We go to set P. Set P. What are the members of set P which are not here? 1, 2, 3 is already here. 8, 10, 11. 8, 10, 11 are the members of set P. So, wow, what does this tell us? It tells us to say we have drawn the Venn diagram showing Q intersection P. And our members of the intersection are 1, 2, 3. Members of set P are here, including this. Members of set Q are here, including this. So we have answered question A and question B. Okay. So that's how we find the intersection of a given set and how we find the the intersection of a given set, of course. Now we shall look at how to find the union of a given sets. I'll quickly wrap here. Here we go. Same issues. So with this one now, we want to look at the union Q union P and Q. Oh, sorry. Q union P and show Q union P in a Venn diagram. Okay. So here we go. What is a union to begin with? The union of sets is simply sets put together. Okay? So we have this choir called choir A, and we have this choir called choir B. They want to sing, and then we put them together to give us a beautiful song. They form choir A union choir B. So, meaning that we just get the members of choir A, get members of choir B, put them together to give us a beautiful song, and then they sing. So, here we go. So, this simply means we shall list all the members in set Q and the members in set P. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 7, no. 8. We have 9, no. 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, and 11, like that. So we have listed Q union P. We've put them together. We have answered this question. Don't stress yourself, we are done here. Okay? Show Q union P in a Venn diagram. Here we go. Union, we said we are putting things together, and we put them together in set A. Therefore, even in the Venn diagram, they will be in one stomach. So we've put all the members in one circle. This is the union of Q and P. Wow. We have now learned how to find the intersection of given sets and the union of given sets, both using the Venn diagram and also using set builder notation.